Today's video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. In today's video, we're going to see what happens if we try to freeze dry a 1 pound gummy bear.
Just so you guys are aware, a 1 pound gummy bear is 11 servings. I say it's like maybe 2 for me, but according to this, the back of our 1 pound gummy bear, it should only be 11 servings. But it's 319 carbs.
Neat.
1,300 calories. This is fantastic.
It also says it's equal to 280 standard sized gummy bears. So we've got 2 of these 1 pound gummy bears. You may have seen that these are not the biggest gummy bears in the world, but we figured that this was a pretty good step up from our standard size. They don't stand up real great by themselves. But we want to see what happens when we freeze dry it.
Should be kind of interesting. Now, we don't actually know if it's going to get all the way through a gummy bear. In the past, we have freeze-dried gummy bears and we have freeze-dried gummy worms. Got some really cool results.
They puff up, they turn into kind of like a Cheetos texture.
Cheeto? Kind of, yeah. Crunchy Cheeto that goes gelatinous.
It's very different. But because of what Callie was just saying, that we don't know if it'll make it all the way through, we've got 2 gummy bears and we're going to try 2 different ways. One of them will just be on the tray and we're going to see what happens to it.
Might need to run it through a few times.
The other one we're going to slice up into smaller pieces. So that poor gummy bear will not be all in one piece. We just want to see if that's necessary to get the whole thing to freeze dry. And it might be. Freeze dryers aren't really designed to get through, like, this is almost 2 inches thick in some places. So we can set our freeze dryer on a little bit higher heat, and I think we can set it to go for extra time, and we may just have to run it through a second time even after the first time through. But we're gonna see what we can do to have the best chance of getting this gummy bear to freeze dry entirely, because if it does, that'd be cool. And we've had, like, the little gummy bears have like tripled in size.
So not these particular gummy bears. We did have some trouble in the past with Albanese gummy candies. I believe I tried gummy worms from them. And while the trolley gummy worms, they puff up beautifully, the Albanese ones for some reason didn't. I don't know if it's just because it's a different
Slightly
mixture.
different recipe.
Exactly. But I do love these. They are the best. I got this bag for my birthday and I'm halfway through it. So I do want to throw some of these on the tray as a control as well.
All right.
Yep.
We're gonna have that just like that, and then this one we're just gonna slice up, maybe not quite a 1/4 inch, but not much more than that.
I want to try a couple like paper thin slices.
Okay.
Just to see what happens.
Of course, that requires being able to slice through gummy bear.
Before we load the freeze dryer with these colorful gummy bears though, we want to tell you about something real, raw, dark, epic, and awesome.
Oh, are you referring to Raid Shadow Legends, the massive multiplayer online real-time strategy game that will take you to a world of dark fantasy and realism?
Yes.
I knew it. Raid is an epic game that lets you play in tons of different ways. You can collect hundreds of different characters, upgrade them, and build a team strong enough to take on anyone.
With your team, you can take on bosses, fight against other players in the arena, increase your XP through a fully voiced campaign, and even run through the dungeon mode. This mode pits you against 10 different bosses where you can win new artifacts that will help your champions grow even stronger.
Of all these modes, my favorite part is collecting the champions, and right now it's easy to claim even more if you have Amazon Prime. If you log into Raid and sign up before January 26th, you can claim the all-new epic champion, Whisper.
Getting new champions makes a huge difference too. Every time I get a new champion, it really helps me through the levels I'm playing. There will be additional drops through April, including the epic champion Vala, shards, skill tomes, XP boosts, legendary artifacts, potions, and everything else you might need to take on your opponent.
So you Amazon Prime users can claim your prizes by installing the game through our link below and following the instructions.
And finally, one major update to the game is the ability to play on both mobile and desktop. Users can switch from one to the other using the same account, so you can play Raid no matter where you are.
So to download the game and get playing now, click our link down in the description. You'll also get 100,000 silver, 1 energy refill, 1 day XP booster, and 1 free champion, Adjudicator.
These prizes will only be available to new players for 30 days, so go ahead and click the link now to get playing today. I'm gonna go back to playing now.
Are you winning?
I'm playing.
Are you winning? Are you winning? We're not going for a glowing red.
We're not?
That will just burn the gummy instantly. Let's see how that does.
Ha-ha! You didn't want the torch. You always want the torch, Nate. You always want the torch.
I am corrected. So now if I put this back, it's just gonna burn instantly. So this is not a perfect solution.
It is. You could have just burned it until it was char and let it come off that way.
And now if I try and cut, it's just gonna
Be on
spread
fire.
that burning. There, that's as thin as you're gonna get, I think.
I'm so impressed.
It almost stays flat. That's gonna stay right there, and this is now going to go this direction.
Okay, so we've got our gummy bear sliced up, we've got our mini controls, and we have our giant gummy bear. We're gonna run this up to the freeze dryer. It may take more than one day, I'm betting it will, but let's see what happens. All right, fingers crossed. Hopefully in a day and a half that will have done something.
If not, we'll probably just set it for another cycle and run it again. Maybe
going.
it's possible that like the stuff on the bottom will freeze dry and the stuff on top won't. We may flip it over if we have to do another cycle to get from the other side. We'll see how that works.
We've also had it before where they have melted in the drying process if it's a soft enough material. I don't think these are because we've never had that problem with the gummy worms in the past. Some of our chocolates did. So we'll see what happens. Fingers crossed. Well, these are things.
We freeze dried them.
We did.
I did come in and set it for a new cycle. At that point, I flipped over the giant gummy bear. It hasn't really changed much since then. This is basically what it looked like, except now it has flat spots on all the protrusions.
But you were just trying to make
where
sure
it was
that there
resting.
was no liquid in it whatsoever.
Yeah, and you know, I bet that the middle of this is still not completely freeze-dried, but we got much better results than I thought we would.
Absolutely.
Especially on the blue one that we cut into pieces. These look very puffed up.
Yep. Well, okay, and we've mentioned this in the past, that even this is a denser material than you get out of like the Trolley Bright gummy worms. This is Albanese, and Albanese are sort of a thicker recipe, we think. We're not sure why, but they don't puff up the same. But even these have puffed up a decent amount now.
I want to cut one open.
Okay.
I'm gonna start with one of these small ones. So this is just a normal sized red gummy bear.
Yep. What exactly was
Remember how hard it was to cut through the big full size? I'm gonna try the spine of the knife and see if it's any harder.
Yeah.
Nope, pretty much exactly the same.
Okay, so we've made Cheeto dust with gummy bears again. Yep, that's bizarre.
Not survived the process. Let's check out the inside of the big one.
I just tried to pick it up.
Fate has decided for us that it's time to see the inside of the big one, and look at that. That looks changed all the way through. Sounds pretty Cheeto-y.
No, I was right.
Oh yeah, this does have more chew to it.
So what Albanese always does. There's
Except
still
that
this
red
really
one.
chewy gummy in the middle. Yeah, that red one was crazy.
And this pink one. That was pretty crunchy. We didn't actually weigh it beforehand to see if it was accurately 1 pound.
We were just going supposedly by what the box said. In which case we've lost
0.16
maybe
pounds off.
And it is still like there is absolutely still a weight to it. It absolutely doesn't feel as fluffy as they normally are. This is still a dense
I am going to measure all of the blue parts together to see if more weight has been lost from the one that we cut up.
It feels like it.
That's
Just
if we
picking it
can
up.
get everything to stack and balance nicely on our scale.
Oh no!
New strategy.
Okay.
New strategy.
A bowl.
Uh-huh.
We're professionals.
13 points. That's actually heavier.
What?
And we ate ears off of it,
We
too.
did. I bit the ear off of it.
So, all right.
All right. Okay.
Our blue one that seems to have puffed up more to me actually has more weight to it still.
It's crunchy. Like, it's not soft and Cheeto-y like these ones normally are, where they break in little pieces. It's just sort of snapping, like a cracker.
Well, I tried to get a slice. It didn't quite work. It broke too much for that, but
We might have invented the loudest food in the universe. You know how people are like, movie theaters are a place where people want silence? Let's make the loudest treat possible, popcorn, and give it to them. And put them all in a dark room together. We've made something louder.
it's pretty crunchy. I'm gonna cut open this one. I think this is our biggest piece.
Dairy
Let's see
divided.
what the inside is like. And pretty crunchy all the way through.
I'll give it this though, the flavor is so much stronger. We find that a lot when we do this. Even though it has expanded, I feel like the flavor condenses without the liquid in it. Like before you eat it and you're like the first thing that hits you is, this is a gummy texture. And next is, okay, sweet. And then you can kind of get that aftertaste of blue raspberry. The first thing that hits you here is, I have blue raspberry in my nose. That's interesting.
It starts off crunchy.
And then pretty soon your teeth are just stuck together. I'm now going to be tasting artificial cherry in my mouth until I die. I do regret that. Blue raspberry, that concentrated, is good. Cherry, that concentrated, is cough syrup.
Okay, so I put this gummy bear in the water to see if it would do anything, and it's just kind of slowly dissolving while it floats to the top. Now I've got water in the microwave to get really hot, and I want to see what happens to it in hot water instead of cold water. Oh wow.
He's so angry about that.
I think just air is escaping fast enough that it's like bubbling and I can smell it. I can smell the lemon. So, warm water, way faster. I'm just gonna take a piece of our giant bear and throw that in there too. Ow, the steam. The lemon ones, and then I just took a big chunk of blue and dropped it in and it all dissolved away. Gummy bear tea.
Aha. What did you have today? All right, gummy bear tea, no big deal. Hot Kool-Aid, anyone?
Not as flavorful as Kool-Aid.
Here's the weird part, guys. This is super bizarre. That is delicious, and I'm really upset about it. All right, guys, we have freeze-dried yet another very odd thing. What else do you want to see? Because you know that freeze dryer is going to be around for a while. Let us know in the comments below.
Thanks again to our sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. Click the link in the description to get playing today. Guys, that's not all. You know, we've always got more for you to see. Hit that box up at the top to check out our most recent video, and we will see you in the next one. Talk to you then.